Alright, this bird right here is about 4.5 pounds, right? I'm going to do a whole chicken in under an hour. Alright. Now, I'm only going to use these two. And right now I'm going to season this. I'm only using the oven to brown the skin. That's it. The machine over there, the instapot, will do all the work. Some people are afraid of them because they're a pressure cooker. They're afraid it might blow up. Yeah, they won't. You know what I mean? They're not like an air fryer when you throw frozen turkey in there. All right, so I'm gonna brush that. That's on broil high. All right, now I'll just throw some seasoning on there. So you get that nice and seasoned up on the back side. The front I'll do after I brown this a little bit. The reason why I'm using these two is because 2 cups of this is going in the... Yeah, this is my new gadget. Yeah, this. I mean, I could brown it in here with a saute, but I'm going to do it in the oven. You know what I mean? This is actually 2 cups. I have the pressure cooker. You have to put at least 2 cups of liquid in here. You know what I mean? For it to work. See how I have it on? Pressure cook. On high. Right now, what it's doing is warming up, preheating pretty much. I mean, you can throw your stuff in there, and lock the lid and all that stuff. Still cook. You know what I mean? But you can also do this method. Now, this here, I won't burn it. You know what I mean? I don't want to burn it at all. So I'll just get it like this. This is good for me. You know what I mean? Because I really don't eat the skin anyway. Right now. So if you don't lock it, what's going to happen is, watch, it's going to beep. If I do this, I mean, it's going to say lid. It's not going to pressurize nothing. It has to be locked. See, on. All right, now this is I have the one where it's just a switch. Some of them have a release lever where you have to hold it, which you have to use like an oven mitt for. You have to pull it back, because that steam comes rushing out. Me, I don't have to do that. I mean, I just, unlock, you know what I mean? 4.5 pound chicken. I'm going to go 30 minutes here. $6 minutes per pound is for 24 minutes, yeah. See how the steam's coming out of here? That's normal. No, it's not going to blow up or anything like that. I mean, this is normal. See, now the pressure's already built up. It stops the steam and all that stuff, so. And it's cooking right now. You know what I mean? Now, say you leave this alone and you disappear, go to the store, whatever. What happens is when this timer runs it down, keep it warm. Switch over to keep it warm section. You know what I mean? It'll be like low heat. So I get carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and baby potatoes sides for the chicken. The steam these. This is go off in a minute. Keep warm. Yeah, so there's no need to be afraid of this. You know what I mean? Zero. This lid right here, it won't open unless you release that steam back there. I'll show you in a minute. So you try to unlock it, won't budge. This right here. See, it won't budge. Not until all of it's out. Just like that. $165 it has to be. Trust me, it's not dried either. It's all moist in there. So it's a 4.5 pound chicken in there. And so I put it on, what, 30 minutes, right? And it takes about 10 minutes to heat up. The pressure, you know, to build that pressure inside the pot. The best part is, easy to clean. So maybe I want some of that odd juice, right? See how easy this is? This is all cleaned out. Yeah, in a minute you're gonna see that this is moist. So I just saw the chest bone open. See that? See that? How moist it is right there? Easy to do. See? Moist. It's not dried out at all. You know what I mean? Good to go. Good to serve. These are done too. Dinner under an hour. That marinade right there, you know, that all juice. It's to die for. But that's all I used. You know, that stuff here. Ginger and the marinade and stuff here. All you need. You're good to go.